Hey friends, I'm here with this really great new item I just got, and I'm excited to share this one with all of you here today. I've got this desk here, but no lamp, so I needed a little bit more light, and I found this online. I'm super excited about it. Lots of great features on this LED desk lamp. Let's get it put together here, and I will talk about all of those. Snaps in place there into that base. You got this really nice flexible gooseneck head. This light part here is 4.7 inches. Really nice big lamp head. No flicker on this too, which is great. No blue light, no flicker. So much easier on your eyes. Let's get this thing put together. So you've got the charging cable here, or the power cable, I mean. And I'm just gonna plug that in. All right, so you've got a few buttons here on the front. You've got the main power. There's that. I don't want to point it too much at the camera there, but you've got there's 5 different brightness settings on here, and you've got 3 different color temperatures where you can adjust that. There's white, neutral, and yellow light. There's USB charging ports on the back. You've got a USB-A and a USB-C. Both of those are slow charging ports at 5 watts. And this also has a timer and a night light on it too. So there's 4 different timer settings. You've got 30, 60, 90, and 120. And then there's a nightlight setting on here as well, where it's just kind of a really low ambient light. But love the flexible gooseneck on here. This thing will go any direction you want it to. Super flexible. Really nice brightness settings. Perfect for reading or working. Lots of great places where you can have this: your bedroom, your office, your study. Just a super nice all-around, super handy 15-watt LED desk lamp.